Good morning, everybody. My name is Greg LaRasa. I'd like to welcome you to MarineMax in Gulf Shores. I'm here to introduce you to the 376 Grady-White Canyon. Look at this mammoth thing. Max horsepower on this boat is 1,275. Guess what? We have 425. So we got max horsepower on this. So our motto is go big or go home. This is a huge fish box that is refrigerated, so it turns into a freezer or a refrigerator. You got the control. You got live well here, so again you can have two different kind of baits, no problem. A prep station, tackle drawers up here at the helm. I wanted to introduce you to one. This boat has a 13 2-inch beam. It's one of the biggest beam boats in the market for this size boat. Here at the helm, you have bow thruster and joystick control, helmmaster with fly-by-wire. This boat is rated at 56 miles an hour. You can see the mammoth windshield. It does have power out vents. It is also AC at the helm. So you have not only AC at the helm, you have it in the cabin. Another thing I'd like to point out to you is the power sure shape up here. As we know, the benefit to you is we all love to get sun, but a lot of times we get too much. So you can power this out. It goes all the way back out to the transit. As we keep going further toward the bow, you can see how deep this boat is. The girth on this boat, if you get wet in this boat, you're in bad stuff. As you can see, rod holders all the way up. You got forward facing chase lounge seating. This goes up and away if you don't want it. You have a cushion here. This 45-degree angle, huge dry storage up under here. And then when you want, if you want to use a casting net, you can take these cushion off and throw your casting net up here. Up inside here, you have windlass, and you got foot controls up here as well at the helm. As you can see, moving forward down into the cabin, you got your AC, your DC panel here, your aft cockpit cooler, your air conditioner for inside here in the cabin, your Fusion stereo. You have a mirror here with TV inside. You have ample storage everywhere you can look. Anywhere we can put storage, we give it to you. Teak and holly floors, microwave. Your head is vacuum flush. It's right under here. This is your sleeping quarters. It sleeps too. This also powers up into a sofa. So if you just want to sit, you can. Again, you have a refrigerator here, wine cooler and everything inside for your wines, and access to all your bilges. Again, my name is Greg LaRasa. Come see me at MarineMax Gulf Shores. Thank you for viewing this 376 Grady-White Canyon.